Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Wedding season is upon us, and whether you're a bridesmaid or a guest at a wedding, these hairdos will have you looking your best. Let's get started. Start this hairdo by sectioning off the crown and smoothing over the top with a comb. Tease in the back at the base of your section. Then secure with an elastic. Grab a smaller section from each side and tie them together above the previous section. Create a small hole above the elastic and twist to create a loop. Pull the crown section through the loop. Make sure that the hair from the twist covers the elastic. And there you have it. For this half updo, you're going to section off a layer in the front, split it into 3, and start Dutch braiding. Place the left section under the middle one, then the right under the middle. As you continue, you'll grab extra hair to add to the sections as you braid. So left under the middle plus more hair from the left, then right under the middle plus more hair from the right. Do this until you're about an inch above your ears, then braid normally. Tug at the sections to create more volume. Tie your braid with an elastic so that it doesn't come undone while you braid the other side. Tie both of the braids together in the back. For more of a wedding feel, you can add accessories to the braids. I've chosen pearls with spirals, so all I'm doing here is just screwing them in place. The final look is an updo. Part your hair to the side and split into 2 sections to create a rope braid. Start by placing one section on top of the other, adding more hair to the bottom section. Then twist the sections and repeat, adding more hair as you go. So add hair to the bottom section, then bring it back to the top. Continue until you reach your ear, then twist without adding more hair. Secure with an elastic. back the rest of your hair. Twist and wrap to create a side bun. Secure the bun with bobby pins. Grab the rope braid and place it on top of the bun. Pin it in place going around the bun. You can add floral hair clips to make it more fun. This updo is perfect for destination weddings. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great hair day.